I'm an Associate Professor at the University of Cape Town in the School of Architecture, Planning and Geomatics. So I have this wonderful opportunity to work with Professor Christine Grange in the Department of Civil Engineering and Architecture, specifically in the architecture program, and specifically on urban and regional planning. A colleague of both Professor Grange and myself, Professor Michael Gunda, who was based at the University of Auckland in New Zealand. Michael approached Christina, and Christina and Michael also approached me to collaborate on a project. It's a book project, and it's an edited book. And the reason I spent some time, 2 months, in Gothenburg at the University of Chalmers was for us to complete that project. And very sadly, Michael passed away in March 2021. It draws on diverse thinkers from across the globe to understand different aspects of power and planning. And the book is structured into 2 sections. The first section very much focuses on theoretical frameworks that have been explored over the years in our field. And those frameworks range from Marxist type frameworks to 20th century French philosophers. Whereas the second part of the book then begins to apply some of that knowledge and to assess how power is actually played out in the everyday environment and the built environment of our cities across the globe. It was an incredible opportunity to share experiences and knowledge from the Global South with colleagues at Chalmers, and for colleagues at Chalmers to also share knowledges and experiences from their context with me. So it was a really lovely collaborative opportunity to share the types of research that we're doing, the kinds of works that we're doing, and to start building a network with truly inspirational thinkers based at Chalmers, many of whom are women and who are doing phenomenal work. But I was also invited to present some guest lectures and to work with and learn from fantastic students. And similarly, I was invited to participate and to share a lecture with one of the design studios in the architecture program. And that studio was focusing specifically on affordable housing. And then I also got to network with incredible scholars in the program, in the architecture program and in the planning programs. And we spoke about how we could carry on this engagement process and how we could take our research further into the future. So that was an incredible opportunity to learn about the different kinds of research that is taking place at Chalmers. And a lot of that research is taking place by truly inspirational women who are really at the cutting edge of rethinking some of the issues around urban injustices, inequalities, rethinking gentrification. And so these are all providing these wonderful opportunities for further networks and for further sharing learning opportunities.